Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with another review for my six-figure blueprint. And I'm so excited about what's happening with this opportunity. And I'm going to be promoting this for at least the next year or so, because I know the owner and I know that this will be a great system for those who are looking to build an online income. And what we're going to do is go over my six-figure blueprint, and I'm here in my back office so that you guys can see what it looks like and how easy it is to set the system up once you actually get started. This can easily be a five-figure or six-figure opportunity. And the sky's the limit once you get involved and actually start applying the information that he's giving to you, because the gentleman that came up and created the system has earned multiple six figures with offline and online strategies. And he's sharing all of his information with those who are members of my six-figure blueprint. So what I wanted to do is just talk about the resources. He has currently added a Facebook community where there's going to be proof and members that are going to be joining my six-figure blueprint. So you can join the Facebook community once you are a member. That link is going to be right here. And this is just an addition to all of the other things that he has to offer to you. I look at this as a fail-proof system only because with all of the different methods and the different strategies that he gives to you on how to promote this opportunity, there's no way you can lose. You can take 1 to 2 different strategies that he's given to you and apply them consistently to start earning daily within the online space. Now, with that said, it may not happen right away, but over time, as you start implementing these strategies, you will start to see that it's easy to have people join this opportunity. The layout is great. This is really beginner friendly. So if you have no technical skills, you don't know exactly what you're doing, you're going to learn everything once you get into your back office. So here they have the downloads, okay, which is a PDF. You got 50 ways to promote any business, copy and paste ads and image ads. You have the six-figure sales script, and then you also have a postcard template, okay? So all you have to do is click on it when you get into your back office, and you'll see exactly what it looks like and the information that he's given to you. Now, on top of that, there's going to be a video here. Almost every section has a video so that you know exactly what you need to do and where you're at and what you're downloading. Okay, so you see here's the video, and then if you want to download the postcard template, you just click this, and then you're going to get the postcard template that you can duplicate and start utilizing if you decide that you want to start sending out postcards. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And here you just click on it and it'll open everything up. All right. So then if you go here, you'll see that there's a whole bunch of stuff here that will guide you through the things that you need. So you have your six-figure digital library. Okay, you could click on that, and then you'll see that there's a ton of stuff down here where you click on the thumbnail and it's going to actually open up a video that's going to give you all the strategies and the things that you need in order to be successful. Down here, right here is a thumbnail below to access 100 plus downloadable digital products. Okay, so you have more than enough social media marketing, affiliate marketing, internet traffic. You have an income goal, how to get to your first 10 figures, 6 figures within a year. Offline leads for your business. You're going to have everything that you need, and then you're going to just basically focus on 1 or 2 strategies and stay consistent with those strategies. Here you have setting up your payment profile, which you're going to do as soon as you get in, and you're going to want to make sure you set up your system. Once you have these 2 in place, take your time to go through the ad copy and your different libraries so that you know what it is that you want to do, and not only that, where you want to start as far as promoting this information to your list. Okay, here we have a PDF for the six-figure roadmap, okay? And this is going to show you how to start getting these instant payments. They are focusing on $5 payments, but again, this goes all the way up to $300 payouts, okay? And the sky's the limit. So what you want to do is you want to focus on the lead generation and targeted leads. And we're going to go over that in another video. I'm not going to really touch on this right now, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea of some of the stuff that's back here that's going to really help you to take your business to the next level. Here at the Start Here tab, you have the system overview, payment processors setting up that, your marketing system, buying your traffic, and becoming a part of the team rotator. So while you are putting out your efforts, the team is also helping as well. The company's helping the team to also generate traffic to their links. So I'm just excited about this. If you want more information, you want to see what this is all about, you want to go ahead and get started and get plugged in so you can really dive deep into what they have to offer and to start earning within the online space, you want to click on the description box right below this video. It's going to take you to a link to get started. And also my information is available if you have any questions. I am a real person and I'm here to help you to have success within the online space. So thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you have a great day.